This procedure demonstrates how to properly enroll an employee at the Kronos 4500 Touch ID terminal. To begin, swipe a supervisor badge and enter the supervisor password. Press the Enroll Employee soft key. The terminal prompts you to enter the employee's badge number. Type the badge number and press Enter. The terminal prompts the employee to select a primary finger. For best results, use your index finger, ring finger, or middle finger. Avoid using your thumb or pinky. Use the keypad to select the number that corresponds to the finger you want to enroll. The terminal prompts you to place your finger on the fingerprint verification device. Press the Enroll soft key. Next, lock, drop, and hold your finger. To lock your finger, line up the first joint of your finger with the ridge lock. Keep your finger at an angle. Do not place it on the sensor yet. When the joint is lined up with the ridge lock, drop it down on the sensor. Do not drag or slide the finger across the sensor. For best results, apply firm but gentle pressure. Do not press down as if you were pressing on a button. This will create a blurry image. Hold the finger in place until the message Capture Successful appears with the capture score. The score should be 70 or greater for best results. It may be necessary to retry the enrollment to get a better score by moving the finger slightly or applying more pressure. Getting the highest score at this point will ensure greater verification success later. To complete the enrollment, press the Test Enrollment soft key. Use the same finger to test the enrollment. If the enrollment is successful, do two things. First, remember which finger you're using. Second, remember how you placed your finger on the sensor. You must use the same finger and placement every time you use the fingerprint verification device. You can now accept the enrollment. The terminal prompts you to enroll a secondary finger, or you can exit. To exit, press No.